we're just really thrilled to host everyone here, and we're glad to see what Lucas County is showing the state.
Yeah,
so thank you.
Yeah, happy to be a part of it. So let's walk this way. This is vertical systems. We're going to go around the front and come all the way back. And we'll find our way back over here and get
hear my song, dance until the music is gone. Peace to the earth, all its people and lands. Let's raise our voices together.
with an organization called Fishgate. Fishgate is not fish getting in trouble politically. It's the name comes from a Bible verse, I think in Jeremiah or something. But the company that runs this operation, their business model is to sell tilapia to people who have ponds to stock their ponds. They raise about 20,000 pounds of fish, and the 10,000 pounds of tilapia that they sell to pond owners pay the expenses to operate the business. So they have this wonderful margin, but they don't want to do a food service company. They don't want to be a food production company. So they're going to take the 10,000 pounds of extra fish that we grow here, and we get to share them with folks that we know, and we get to clean and prepare them at Cedar Creek's giant commercial kitchen. And they host the Community Cares Clinic, so we're already producing fresh fruits and veggies for the families that go to the clinic, and now we're going to be able to dirty up their kitchen and make it smell like fish for a week and share it with several hundred folks. So I'm really excited about that prospect. Right now you're looking at our fence. This is just a fence, everyone. A fence and an above ground pool, because the city is learning with us. They don't know what to call all this stuff. So we've been making our best effort to be as transparent as possible. You know, we're like, hey, we're going to grow a lot of fish in the middle of the city. How do we do that?
And they're like,
Thank you, Lord, for the abundant blessings in life. Thank you, Lord, for the abundant blessings in life.
Hugelkultur, that's right. H-U-G-E-L culture. So we have a bunch of
small hugelkultur. Very tall.
Deep, decomposed wood underneath there, and some of it is peeking through. So it's not decomposing that fast. And then we put compost or leaves and then compost on top of it. And back there you'll see that it's mostly just watermelon and wood chips. So we're kind of doing a different variation of it over there, and that's been going really well actually. Right here we are solarizing part of our field so we can expand. Is Sean out here? What do we want to plant here, Sean?
That'll be more for next year to play with Brian's group.
Nice. So probably veggies, maybe buckwheat, first year, winter rye. We'll break the soil in before we demand a lot of it. And then
solarizing, you mean covering it so that the weeds are
right, so they get smothered and cooked. That's right.
Can't live in the future, can't live in the past. Put joy in your life while it lasts. Love the family, love the friends, sharing our love with each other.
just like I said, we're gonna have a lot of our smaller fish, the ones that that are reproducing, we'll have in here. So this will be where we grow them out, and there will be where we grow them out. Here's where we're gonna be where we reproduce, where we use them to give us new ones. We'll also be producing a lot of vegetables in here, and eventually have a freshwater catch system. So what we're going to create is a closed loop system in here, using the sun, bubbles, and then we're going to have another layer of plastic on top of the outer skin here that goes up over the top. Do we have our aluminum frame yet, Jack?
It's being bent.
Being bent. So we have new aluminum coming here from Iowa to go right over top here, and it's going to create a little shell, and the system blows suds and water. It blows the air through the suds and water to create bubbles. The bubbles filter out the infrared, so it keeps the temperature locked at a certain potential variation, and allows in the full spectrum of light without heating the building. So the bubbles also create a ton of, little dead air space, so that increases the R value to a tremendous degree. So in the winter it stays warm, and in the summer it stays cool and shaded. And the idea, the hope, the plan is to have a year-round food production facility putting out protein and vegetables and fruit that also can purify and clean water. So that's actually why Polycap, my friend, Polycap, where are you from? Kenya? Polycap has been here for most of the summer, and he's been taking our agripreneurship course, and actually he's got a test coming up this week that he's got to take to demonstrate if I've actually successfully taught everyone in the class. And then the idea is that this system can be replicated anywhere in the world. The organization who is kind of pushing us along in this endeavor is Plenty for All, which is Jack holding the camera right now. And there's different projects in different places all over the country that are just now fledgling and getting started. So if y'all want to know more about that, talk to the man with the camera.
Thank you, Lord, for the abundant blessings in life.